The police have launched a manhunt for a group of heavily armed men who carried out a major robbery at a supermarket in Gazeland, St. Elizabeth this morning. Reports are that about 9 o'clock, 6 men armed with high-powered rifles entered the supermarket operated by a Chinese national. The men held up the owners and customers and made off with an undisclosed sum of money. TVJ News spoke with an alleged eyewitness.
When he come in, man, he just joke with man. Like I tip out in and just joke with. I say lie down on our face. And then they are lick the Chinese so they want to get in the room. The Chinese are there holla. Man. Say they don't go in the room. Because they can't understand what he must say. They understand what Chinese say. Fire shot now. You go hear one of them and say, come see place I get crowded. Come.
So, we understand so some people go hide in the fridge or something?
They don't work at them.
Before leaving the premises, the gunmen opened fire on a motorcycle parked in front of the building. No one was hurt.